I genuinely love this ponytail. I think I'm gonna wear it for the next few days. With my hair, it is blow dried. It is natural hair. It is blow dried. What I forgot, I just door dashed all of these. This will be the only thing that's new in what I like. Ooh, look at my arm. And the stuff that I like to use. But with that being said, I will be going in with these two gels. And then also, I got a nice Denty brush. I will also be using this brush, one of those ragtail combs, in case anything snags up. And then the lady of the hour is gonna be this ponytail. I didn't want the other ponytail because it matched my hair, but I will be using this ponytail. This is the Sensational Textured Drawstring Ponytail. And honestly, we're only gonna label it a tutorial if it comes out right. If it doesn't come out right, then if it doesn't come out right, then it was never, I didn't like this hair. This video doesn't make it to the internet. I didn't like the hair. Got this in the color 1B and it's in Rainmaker. Here is the tag. Just show you guys the tag. And yeah, and it's for all curl types from 3C to 4A. No, 3B to 4C. Yeah, so I just unpacked it and it has these. I didn't know it was gonna come like this. I didn't read too much of the review. Honestly, I just closed my eyes and bought it because I'm tired of my hair just looking like this. I just been my only other option was clip-ins, and honestly it's okay, but I like switching it up every now and then. The drawstring part is big enough to go around. It's so big. The drawstring part is so huge. Like you could throw your hair in a bun. Like if you have more hair than I do, you could throw it in a bun and it will fit right around it. And then what is it? Oh, you're able to adjust how tight you want it by here. Cool. Okay. And then it also has these claw clips to just grab on the hair so it doesn't come off automatically. So I'm gonna try to go in dry. If it doesn't make it on the internet, then I didn't like it. It's supposed to be like a really fast hairstyle, so I hope it does not do me dirty. So I'm gonna go in with this extreme gels. I'm gonna mix the two, but I'm gonna start off with the extreme gel. Ooh, start off with the extreme gel. Ooh, and then just flicker back because I am trying to keep the texture. Now if I had it my way, I would have used the yeah, I do have 4C hair. I promise you this gel works 100% always. The only other gel that used to work extremely well on me is the gummy, but the gummy was not gonna be the gummy was not gonna come in time, so I'm just like flicking my hair up. You're gonna start with the back. And I'm just gonna slick it up. And this is the life. And again, I'm here learning with you guys because I haven't had short hair like this in my adult life in forever. And I swore I was gonna pull back off of this. And I'm gonna give this a go. This rosemary mint. Now I got it because it is alcohol free. I don't think the extreme gel is alcohol free. Oh, it smells so good. It smells too good. Too good. And usually what I used to like to do when I did have my natural hair, I would wet my hands, or if you do have like a spray bottle, use a spray bottle, but I'm gonna wet my hands and I'm gonna use that water. After wetting my hands, I'm gonna use that water to like kind of mold it in, just like as an extra protectant layer. And I still haven't tied my hair up because I'm not ready for that tension. Not necessarily per se, but I just don't want any tension where it's not necessary. Right now I still haven't I want to lay down this hump because I do have a hump in the middle of my forehead. So I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler. With the lump on my forehead, I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler, and it's supposed to be, oh, it's limited edition. It's so good. It's too good to be limited edition. Why? And this is where your upper body strength comes in. You know what? My arms are not that scrawny. And I like my ponytail here, exactly here. And then take a scrunchie. I'm gonna take this scrunchie. And then I'm gonna double the scrunchie. And then we're just gonna brush her up. Lastly, toothbrush. For my extra curl, again, I wanted something alcohol free on my hairline, but I smothered it all. I feel like I look too good, like too good. I feel like I want to use some of the pomade. This is the life. I feel like I'm gonna use some of the pomade to just flick around the hairline. But once a time that lives in Haberjakawabe. And then we're gonna take the edge control. I don't know. I don't like my edges like super defined. So we're just gonna pull out like actual baby hairs and just let those play. Just let those play. That's the mood I'm going for today. Like I want to be something somewhat soft. I don't feel like high glam-ish control today. That's what I don't feel like doing. So you see her, right? Now we're gonna tie it down for, I don't know, you have 30 minutes, you have 30 minutes, but if you have all day, you can tie it all day. I have about 20 to 15 minutes for this. And there's nothing like a cut up stocking cap. This is literally old stockings that I cut up, and these are literally old stockings that I cut up and I just tied around my hairline. And then we let her get busy. And while we let her get busy, we are going to use some of this Moroccan oil or whatever oil you have. This is just what I have on hand. And I will just gonna take a little bit of this or a lot of it. And I'm gonna separate the curls because the curls are giving a little bit too much like perfect for me. It's giving little Orphy Annie, and I'm just gonna finger comb him. And then depending on how big this gets, I might cut it, to be quite honest with you. This is the line. That's too perfect. I don't like that. That's too perfect. I don't like that. That's too perfect. That's too perfect. That's too perfect. That's too perfect. Don't like that. So yeah, get her messy. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. This is so pretty. Anyway, I just didn't expect it to be that cute. So now, since the ponytail is out, it's a little messed up, we are going to clip her down, and don't give yourself a headache. Do not, please. Pull. Ooh, that was me. You're going to pull. Look how pretty that is. Look, you guys. Now I'm going to just wrap this around. And while we're here, I'm just gonna keep, this is going to be so good for me when I go back to the gym. What? But now I'm gonna take one of these curls and just actually wrap it around the band because I don't want my hair to show. I just don't want it to look, I just want to keep giving the illusion of this is growing out of my, so we wrap that up. And look how bouncy. This is the life. This is too cute. I got my top dirty. I don't know if it's even visible on camera. Let's do this. Yeah. Anyways, now the 15 minutes are up and this is me now. Look at her. Look at her. And I think I want this one is a little too perf too, so let's take it out. You can make this thing as big as you want. And you know what? Let's see. Because I think I'm in a bun mood. I want the messy bun look. That is just my kryptonite. I'm obsessed with this look on myself, but let's do this. Let's do the messy bun situation. And I don't want it to be too perfect either, so I'm just gonna keep wrapping. Why do they keep doing it? But I do feel like you have to give it like a little messier look, which is what I like. And I think lip gloss, too cute. Too cute. Like, I love when I get done up because what the heck? This is too cute. Like, but anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. But without further ado, guys, I genuinely love this ponytail. I think I'm gonna wear it for the next few days. But if you haven't already, you guys, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. But until next time, you guys, bye.